Hello, I'm Martin Jago, Authorised Financial Advisor and founder of Fusion Investing. Here's something every KiwiSaver member needs to think about. Each investment manager uses just one investment philosophy and style, saying, "Our way is best," and ignores all the other great investment ideas out there. But what if your one manager gets it wrong? Even a couple % below average performance could badly damage your retirement plans, and it's already happening. Luckily, the solution is simple. It's now possible to use a number of investment managers simultaneously, side by side, in your KiwiSaver scheme. So you don't have to rely anymore on just one. It's called a multi-manager strategy, or MMS for short, and we think it's a smarter way to invest. Some managers will do well, others not so well during different economic conditions, but you'll get their combined result, spreading your risk and virtually eliminating single manager uncertainty. We call that the Fusion Advantage. Using our multi-manager strategy, we can target the longer-term average return for any investor profile, and historic average returns have been more than sufficient to achieve your goals. That's stronger and safer. If you'd like to see the difference a Fusion KiwiSaver strategy could make to your outcome, complete the calculator on this page and we'll send you a personal Fusion Advantage report. We think you'll be surprised by the figures. Fusion KiwiSaver, smarter, stronger and safer.